Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed the range. In this video we will learn about the line graph. Today our topic is line graph. Line graphs are used to track changes over the short and long periods of time. When smaller changes exist, line graphs are better to use than bar graphs. I repeat, when smaller changes exist, we use line graphs instead of bar graph. Here a chart has been shown where the data is given of planted trees. We have to see that how much there is increase in the plant's height. We will measure the plant height in centimeter. In the first week, its height was 20 centimeter. In week 2, the plant height was 40 centimeter. In week 3, it was 60 centimeter, whereas in week 4 it was increased up to 85 centimeter. In week 5, the plant height was 90 centimeter, and in week 6, the plant height was 105 centimeter. From this data we have to draw the line graph. At the bottom of this graph, you will see that there is x-axis and it shows the time period that is being compared, or it can be things that are being compared, but here it shows the time period of 6 weeks. If we see this chart vertically, here it is y-axis, and y-axis shows the number that are going to measure. So here we are going to measure the height in centimeter. We start from the 10, 20 and move on to the 110. We are taking the interval of 10 centimeter, as the smallest value we have is 20, but we are taking the interval of 10, so we start from the 10 and moving towards the 110. If we see the height of plant in week 1, it is 20 inches. So we place a point where there is intersection point of week 1 and its height. During the week 2, its height is 40 centimeter. So we place a point at the intersection point of week 2 and its height 40 centimeter. In the week 3, the height is 60 centimeter. So we place a point at the intersection point of week 3 and its height, that is 60 centimeter. In the week 4, its height is 85 centimeter. If we see in the y-axis or vertical axis, we can see that there is 80 and 90, and 85 lies between 80 and 90. So we place a point between the 80 and 90, where the intersection point with week 4. In the week 5, the height is 90 centimeter. So we place the point at the intersection point of 90 centimeter and week 5. During the week 6, if we see the data, the height is 105 centimeter. As we have done previous, 100 and 110 is placed in the vertical axis. There is no 105. So we place the point between 100 and 110, where it is making the intersection with week 6. Now we will join these points with the help of line. From week 1 to week 2 we have joined it. Same we will join all these points. and here a line graph has been drawn. Now we can see that during the week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, 5 and 6, how much there was increase in the height of the plant. We can see that in week 4 and week 5 there is a slightly increase. So there is the least increase. In this video we have discussed the line graph. In the next video we will learn about the bar graph. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.